Good morning, children. How are you all? Fine. Okay. So, children, today we are going to read about public and private property part 3. Okay. So, in last class we have discussed in part 1 and part 2 about the what are the two type of property, public and private property, and school, train, buses or gardens. Okay, parks and gardens. So about this we have discussed already, and what is the ways to take care of these properties, and how should we take care of our own property. In the same way we have to take care of the public property also. Okay, children, so these are the things which we have discussed in previous class. So today we are going to discuss about the historical monument. Do you know, children, the historical monuments also one public property. Okay, what is historical monument? These are so many big buildings. Okay, so many big wall. Okay, large wall. अभी हम बोलते हैं ना कुतुब मीनार, ताजमहल, ओके, गोल्डन टेम्पल, म्यूजियम, कोणार्क टेम्पल, डे, ओके, so many things are there. Okay, so children, why you go to there? Okay, why you go there? We used to go there to see the main thing. What is there? What is this? To know about the monuments, to know about the particular place. Yes or no? Particular monuments. So children, historical monuments are not an ordinary building, ordinary old building. ऐसे ही कोई बहुत बड़ा बिल्डिंग पुराना हो जाता है तो वो ऐसे ही वेस्ट हो जाता है. Yes or no? But historical monument, not an ordinary buildings, children. These are the places which gives us knowledge, which give us knowledge. It is a scientific and cultural importance are preserved. So children, these are the monuments, these are the places where historical, scientific and cultural importance are present, and it displayed our past. Okay children, they inform us about our past, how the period was glorious, how the society, how the people of golden age, all those it tells us about our past, about our glorious past. Still it is tell us a lot of and it tells us about the different condition, different weather condition of the past period. Okay, what is happened in our history. Okay, in that days, why this golden temple, why this Taj Mahal museum, okay, Qutub Minar, okay, why the India Gate, the Great Wall of India, why they built. So we get the knowledge from this historical monument. Okay children, and it tells us a lot about our past. Okay, to protect and preserve them, and it is our duty to protect them from the destruction. Okay, पहले विनाश होने से पहले उसको हमको बचाना है. Yes or no? And how we take care of this? How we should have some rules, some regulation. So we have to visit. We have to visit of the historical monument. So children, we should follow some rules to visit the historical monuments. When you go to see the historical monuments, we should follow some rules. See, what are the rules? What are the rules? Yes, we should not write anything on the walls. We should not do any scratch. Okay, we should not we should maintain the cleanliness. Okay, or so children, we should not scribble anything. We should not scribble anything on the wall as it spoil its natural beauty. Okay, so we should not do that, and we should maintain the cleanliness. Yes or no? and we must preserve and protect from the protect them for future generation. So these are the monuments which is built so many years ago. Yes or no? But in today's generation, we are going to see that. We are going to visit that because we want to get some knowledge. Yes or no? We want to get some knowledge about the historical monument. Why it is built, what is the causes, what is the reason behind the building or historical monument or museum. Yes or no? So we must preserve and protect them. So we must preserve and protect them for our फ्यूचर जनरेशन, ताकि हमारे आगे भी हमारे फ्यूचर जनरेशन जाके उसको देख सके. एंड चिल्ड्रन एंड यंगस्टर्स शुड अंडरस्टैंड दैट we pay money for these all things, for maintenance, for these historical monuments, maintenance of the historical monuments as a form of tax. Okay, tax के तौर पर हम अपना पैसा दे रहे हैं. If we waste that, if we waste or damage these things, no, so we are just wasting our own money only. Yes or no? हम अपना ही मनी को वेस्ट कर रहे हैं. So it becomes our duty to keep our public property safe. Yes or no? Protect, neat and clean, so that newcomers in our country will come and see and enjoy these historical monuments, and they should feel good, they should feel pride of our country. Okay children, now let's come to some private property. Some private properties are, I told you that our bungalow, our car, our furniture, everything, our clothes, these are our private property. So we should take care of that ourselves. Yes or no? And we are taking care also. Okay children, so we should take care of these things, as well as we should follow some ways to take care of this. Okay, as it belongs to us, the clothes, the furniture, the bungalow, the car, okay, everything which is ourselves, which is our. Okay, so we should take care of that. Okay, we should take care of that. Okay, as it belongs to us, so we should maintain properly. Yes or no? And it should kept neat and clean. Okay children, and private vehicles should park in parking zone. Whenever we go to some somewhere, okay, some places, so we have to park our private vehicle in parking zone only. Okay, so it will be safe for us also. Okay, and we should always follow the garbage, and we should always throw the garbage in the dustbin. Yes children, so we can clean and we can keep clean and neat our surrounding. Okay children, so these are the private properties and how this is the way to take care of private properties. Now your lesson is over. Okay, so I hope you all understood properly about your public and private properties and what is the way to take care of these properties. And okay, so children, please take care. Okay, and I hope you all will understand properly. Please read the book, follow the book, understood again and again. Okay, try to understand again and again. Okay, thank you. Next time we will go to exercise part. Okay.